talking.
सेकंड स्पीकर
टीम भी है
Me and my team will be talking for the topic is Facebook invading our privacy. So we are of the view that yes, it is invading our privacy. Everybody knows it's a social network, and on Facebook you are what you are not in your real life. Like most of you, I believe that. You put status, you have pictures, and you put comments that you never do in your real life. So for us, it's like it's important to secure your privacy, but actually because of Facebook, everything, like everyone can see everything you put on the Facebook. Because sometimes you forget to put privacy on the Facebook, and most of the time it is hacked. And everybody is well aware that most of the IDs are hacked, and it did happen with me last time when a friend of mine, I started talking to a friend of mine, and I got to find out that he's not my friend, he's someone else, like talking, like he was talking like really weird, and I was like, I was really confused and concerned that what happened to him or something like that. But then I came to find out that he was not my friend, his ID was hacked, and he was a person I really trusted. So I could have said stuff I never wanted anyone else to know. So it is actually interfering into our privacy, and it's like our privacy is on set. And other thing is your contacts. We have a lot of contacts. You add some people you don't want to add in the Facebook, and later you don't actually care about them, that you forget to delete them from the contact list. So sometimes they see your status, they see your pictures, and you don't want them to see your pictures and those status, or maybe it's against that person. You never know. So it will turn out against you as well. So it is actually invading your privacy in this context as well. And about newsfeed, talking about newsfeed, our newsfeed is flooded every time you turn on Facebook. Like this person is doing this person has put comment on this person, whatever comment, you see everything. So sometimes you get to know the stuff the people you never know about. And so it is you are you are interfering other people's life. So it is in this context as well. It's interfering your privacy.
Please conclude.
Okay, so from all this, and it did happen in recent event in IBA that a student had put a satire about her teacher or peers, something like that, and she ended up in deducting her marks, around 5 months. I guess she lost her 5 marks. So I guess it is actually interfering in our privacy, and it's putting our privacy on stake. Thank you very much.
And I'm going to talk against it. First of all, I'll start with defining privacy. What is privacy? Privacy is a state of being private, in other words, secrecy. So first of all, I'd like to start my argument with the fact that Facebook actually has privacy settings. We can choose who can see our statuses, we can choose who can see our wall, we can choose who can see our profile pictures, we can even choose which album we want want people to see. We can also, by the way, now the setting is we can also control who would comment on our status or who can write on our wall and who can like our comments. So I think Facebook is pretty secure in this manner. Then we have it's a social networking site. It allows for advertisement. It allows you to be in contact with people over long distances. Sometimes you go, my PTCL is not working. Maybe I'll ask my friend to come on Facebook because sometimes PTCL is down, but Facebook is never down. Then we have business activities going on. Different businesses are being promoted. It gives an up boost to the economy. So Facebook is helping that too. We can do a lot on Facebook. It also allows you to create events. Sometimes Facebook, gets to a lot more people than you can actually do through advertisements, maybe through pamphlets or posters. An event created on Facebook will reach thousands of people. Then we have we even have our IDA group on Facebook. So any update regarding the schedules, regarding our timetables, regarding the teachers, it comes on Facebook directly. So where is Facebook? Facebook is right here in the palm of my hand. With a click, I can control who can see what I'm doing. I can even choose who's on my list. She just mentioned that sometimes you forget to delete people. That's completely your fault. It's not Facebook's fault. Facebook is not invading your privacy. You're the one who signed up. You have the choice. You add certain people, then you add them to your list, and then you can, if they're not your friends, if you found out, you could have probably blocked your account or something. So it's nothing like that, and you can always control what you do on Facebook. Thank you.
Okay, चलो मान लिया कि प्राइवेसी सेटिंग है, but what will you do if your account gets hacked? फिर आप किस तरह अपनी information बताओगे?
Okay, first of all, your account will get hacked if you have personal privacy. My account wouldn't get hacked because I don't mess with the wrong people. If you do that, people will come up with ideas to really get you angry and sort of take revenge on you. So they will do that. Do not have personal rivalry. Facebook has nothing to do with it.
My question is with Shahzadi. You mentioned that you are not real on Facebook. But how is the point that you're not the real you?
Wait, let him complete.
How is the point that you're not the real you related to Facebook privacy? Because privacy means protecting yourself against all this hacking thing. Not because you're not the real you. You're protecting yourself as fake.
First, I would like to correct you because I said you are the real you. You are the person which you are not in your real life. You can be as open as you want to on Facebook because there is no elder control or that the family. That's what I meant. That's what I said. So there's no elder control. There's no family who can monitor you or the Facebook. So you can be whatever you want to be, the real you. So yes, I mean, if your elder gets to know about what are you doing, suppose you God forbid you start smoking and you put your pictures on the Facebook and your family sees it, then it's not privacy anymore.
Okay, we're done. Thank you so much. Concluding argument, Team A. You can just ask one question. Yeah. Okay, start.
Okay, my name is Haniazar and I represent the group which is Team A. We are saying that Facebook does do this and it invades our privacy because of the hacking element that Facebook has just involved. Facebook के अंदर हैकिंग जब से आई है उस वक्त से काफ़ी लोगों के अकाउंट्स हैक होके और वो दूसरे लोगों को ऐड करके और काफ़ी ज़्यादा जो है इस हेल्प को जो कि फेसबुक है जो कि लोगों की मदद के लिए और लोगों की कम्युनिकेशन गैप को मिटाने के लिए बनाया गया है उसको खराब करने की कोशिश की गई है। यहाँ पर अभी हम टीम बी ने बात की थी पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम पर्सनल राइवलरी की कि जिसकी वजह से फेसबुक में आपके अकाउंट हैक होते हैं, बट मैंने बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स ऐसे भी देखे हैं कि जहाँ पर लोगों को कोई लड़की पसंद आ जाती है और वो उनकी नाम का और उसकी प्रोफाइल पिक का कोई भी वो बना देते हैं। एक और प्राइवेसी का एलिमेंट ये है कि आपको नहीं पता कि कौन किस वक्त आपकी कौन सी पिक्चर ले रहा है। कभी भी कोई आपकी पिक्चर लेके फेसबुक पे अपने नाम से लगा दे और उसको यूज कर ले तो वो बहुत ज्यादा आपकी प्राइवेसी में इन्वेजन का एक हिस्सा है। दूसरी बात ये कि आप अपना स्टेटस कभी कभार रखते हैं जो आप कुछ खास लोगों को टैग करते हैं, लेकिन उसके अंदर बहुत सारे लोग आपकी बातें सुनते हैं, देखते हैं, कुछ लोग जेलस भी होते हैं और पिक्चर्स देखते हैं कि यार तुम मुझे समझ लीजिए कि मैं और अब्बास कहीं गए और हम लोगों ने स्टेटस रख दिया कि आई एंजॉय इट विद यू अब्बास जा, और फिर उस्मान ने मुझे बोला कि यार तुम लोग गए थे, तुम लोग मुझे नहीं लेके गए और ये सारा। देन वी ऑल नो कि हमारी फैमिलीज को हम सबको पता है कि फेसबुक किस किस्म की, क्योंकि इतनी ज्यादा स्टैब्लिश हो चुकी है, इतनी ज्यादा लोगों को पता है, मीडिया ने इतना ज्यादा रोल प्ले किया है इसके अंदर, तो उसकी वजह से हमारी फैमिलीज को पता है कि अगर इस लड़के के बारे में कुछ मालूम करना है तो वो फेसबुक से ही पता चलेगा। प्राइवेसी आपने लगाई हुई है, लेकिन अगर किसी के अब्बू ने बोला कि जाके मुझे अपना फेसबुक अकाउंट खोल के दिखाओ तो आपको खुलना ही पड़ेगा और उसके अंदर अगर आपकी सिगरेट वाली पिक्चर नजर आ गई तो
नहीं किया
You are dead. कंपनीज भी इस चीज को यूज कर सकती हैं. देन रॉन्ग इन्फॉर्मेशन का एक और एलिमेंट में पेश करना चाहूंगा कि मैंने किसी चीज को, किसी का स्टेटस पढ़ा और मैंने फुल टाइम प्राइवेसी लगाई भी है और सिर्फ रुबाब के लिए खुली भी थी. वो रुबाब ने सबको बोल दिया. मैंने स्टेटस ये रखा था कि हानिया था इज लविंग और रुबाब ने उसको आगे बोल दिया यार हानि तो इज एन रिलेशनशिप. तो आगे से आगे बात और हेल्थ केयर कहीं ना कहीं और निकल जाती है. और काफी फेक आईडीज जैसे कि शाहरुख खान और बहुत सारे अलग अलग एक्टर की बनी हुई हैं जिनको के लोग ऐड कर लेते हैं और फिर उनसे अपनी पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कर लेते हैं. थैंक यू.
We are going again that Facebook is invading our privacy because I would first like to give a rebuttal to Hani's argument that he said that you can put any picture of some friend of yours and there'll be a fake profile, but actually there is an option where you can restrict people from copy pasting your pictures. So again, I think privacy settings there are, and it's basically at the end of the day it all depends on how we use technology, because technology itself is actually it's the way you manipulate it. If you don't know how to use it, then you can even misuse a computer, which you use it for simple things like taking our information and all that. Even Facebook is actually a product of technology, and Facebook is I think it basically it's how smart a user are you that people will not hack. And about fake profiles, again I would like to say that how many people of you have got their profiles hacked? I don't think so many of you have. Come on, I need to raise your hand. Has any of you had a profile hacked? None? Okay, 1, 2. So again, we have a kind of a mutual agreement that profiles are not just hacked randomly. There's supposed to be something or there's supposed to be some reason, because otherwise profiles are not hacked and nor are pages. Because I think every one of us has been using Facebook for quite a long time, and if none of our profiles are being hacked, that just shows that Facebook is actually a very secure thing, and there may be issues of pages getting hacked or all that, but it's not a very minute probability. And again, I would like to reassert our team's argument, that it is how basically you're like, Facebook is a place where you tell people who you are. It's like bursting a bubble. You come out of the group, because if you're restricted to your own home, no one would know that you're coming on the internet. You're letting the world know who you are, what are your ideals. So Facebook is a very private place if you want it to be. There's security settings. You can make it as private as you want. You can hide yourself on Facebook and just restrict it to people who you know. So again, I would say that Facebook is a very secure place. And moving on.
Please conclude.
Okay. Just one last thing. As Hani again said that if you have a status and you just restrict it to one person and that one person goes around telling someone, then I think you should tell your friends, tell that person not to tell it to anyone, because again, that's not related to Facebook, it's how you use it. So again, I would say Facebook is an extremely secure place, it's how you use it.
Now you stated that Facebook does not invade our privacy. I think you haven't read the terms and conditions before you signed up for it, because it actually states that it has all the right to go into your privacy.
Can you ask a question?
I did ask a question. That it does say that it can invade your privacy. For example, CIA agents can go into it. So why do you say it does not invade your privacy?
Basically, CIA is supposed to be an intelligence organization which
And
is supposed
advertisers.
they're supposed to have access to everything you do, because they have the authority to do so. When you're living in America, CIA has the authority that can actually access anything you have.
Okay, thank you. Next.
question is for Team B. You talk about getting, not getting into fight with the wrong people. When you don't choose who you fight with, no one wants to fight. Okay, some people do, but still, you don't choose who to fight with, and हर दफा कोई reason नहीं होता. I know a site where you have. I know a site where you have this पे hack हुई है बहुत सारे लड़कियों की IDs and they have all the pictures there. What do you have to say about that?
How do they have the girls' pictures?
Yeah.
They copy paste it from your Facebook, right?
No, it's not copy.
Or otherwise, there is a tool which can prevent this cut copy pasting, and you're supposed to use that tool.
फेसबुक के अंदर एक टीम भी आपका ऑफ टीम भी राइट फेसबुक के अंदर एक
Who is your question to?
Okay. Alright, said that you put your status that Hani is loving, right? But after privacy लगा दी तो कोई भी ना देखे तो what's the point of putting on Facebook? You can directly प्रभाव like directly phone कर दो text कर दो.
Who wants to answer?
I want to
Answer.
क्योंकि आपने मुझसे डायरेक्टली पूछा है तो मैं इस बात का जवाब आपको देना चाहूँगा कि मैंने ये बोला कि मैंने उस चीज़ को सिर्फ रुबाब को टैग किया और बाकी सब पे प्राइवेसी लगा दी कि मुझे नहीं पता कि किसी और को ये चीज़ पता नहीं चल सकी. रुबाब ने सोचा कि इसका मतलब कुछ और है और उसने अपने किसी और दोस्त को कुछ बता दिया, कमेंट कर दिया उसकी वॉल पे. उसकी वॉल से कुछ और लोगों ने पढ़ के कुछ और ही समझ लिया. इधर की बात छोटी सी बात बहुत बड़ी निकल गई, जो कि कहते हैं कि बात छोटी सी होती है और बहुत बड़ी बन जाती है. उस चीज को हाईलाइट किया गया. शुक्रिया.
Other question?
टीम बी
Okay.
I have a question for Team A. How valid, how would you counter this viewpoint that people who know that they have done something wrong, only they are concerned about their privacy? For example, you gave the example of your father catching you smoking your pictures on Facebook. So why smoke in the first place? And you know that you have done something wrong, only that's why you
एट टाइम्स कंपनीज जो होती हैं वो भी आपकी प्रोफाइल चेक करती हैं. इनके साथ जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हो तो उसमें भी वो एलिमेंट नहीं रहता कि अगर मैं इंटरव्यू दे रही हूँ तो दैट्स समथिंग डिफरेंट. और जो मैं फेसबुक पे अपनी इंटरेक्शन करती हूँ जो फ्रेंड्स के साथ दैट्स टोटली डिफरेंट. कैन आई आंसर योर
Krishna has already.
She's already answered.
Can I ask
Usman,
you?
ask your question.
फेसबुक के अंदर एक एलिमेंट होता है, एक वो होता है ट्रांसफर ऑफ मनी राइट. वो पता है
Sorry, please.
ट्रांसफर ऑफ मनी होता है. किसी ने आपका हैक करते तो आप उसको कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करोगे ये बताओ. किसी ने हैक कर दिया तो उसको कैसे प्राइवेसी सेटिंग मिलेगी.
किसी ने क्या हैक किया?
अगर आपका अकाउंट हैक कर दिया ट्रांसफर ऑफ मनी ऑप्शन होता है फेसबुक के अंदर राइट. अगर उसको करते तो कैसे आप प्राइवेसी लेके आओगे. या फेसबुक के अंदर होता है.
Sorry, we're not aware of
Okay, you're not aware about it.
Any other questions? No? Sure? Okay.
my question is to Team A. You make it sound like as if you're helpless and Facebook controlling our lives. Would you think that as responsible human beings, we, how do you think we can protect our privacy that Facebook is invading?
Like Rubab, can you repeat your question?
You said that we're helpless and that Facebook is invading our privacy. So do you think that you can tell us any measures that will help us to protect ourselves better from Facebook invading our privacy?
The first measure is that don't use Facebook. No, see, I use it for 5 months or so. My family members don't use it that much. We do have a social life without Facebook.
Okay, time up.